What's up guys? So for today's video ay mag-unbox tayo ng Realme 6 Pro. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification para maging updated kayo sa aking mga bagong uploads. Okay guys, so ito po yung Realme 6 Pro. Actually sa likod niyan may nakalagay na po siya kung ano yung mga basic specification ng telepono, like yung kanyang camera, battery, charger, yung kanyang display, processor, RAM, storage at saka yung kulay. So sa likod pa lang guys, o sa box pa lang, meron na kayong idea kung ano yung specification ng ating Realme 6 Pro. Alright guys, so ito na yung box ng Realme 6 Pro. Pagbukas nyo yan ay bubungad yung kanyang Realme welcome message. Sa loob niyan actually is yung kanyang silicone case with manuals and warranty card. Yung Realme 6 Pro. So mamaya na natin yan bubuksan. And of course yung kanyang 30 watts flash charger. At yung USB Type-C cable. At lastly yung SIM tray ejector. Take note guys, wala pong headset yung Realme 6 Pro. Okay, so ito na yung telepono guys. Bubuksan na natin. So meron siyang sticker. Actually dalawang kulay po ang available nito, is yung lightning blue. Yung isa is lightning red. So yung andito sa atin is lightning blue. Okay guys, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 720G Octa-core 2.3 GHz with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. So yung camera naman niya guys is 64MP, 12MP, 8MP and 2MP. Now yung camera naman po sa harap ay consists of 16MP for wide and 8MP for ultra-wide. So sa baba niya guys is yung 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, USB Type-C port, loudspeaker. Sa other side is yung power button at saka yung fingerprint. At sa taas naman guys is yung kanyang secondary mic. At sa other side is yung kanyang dual SIM tray at yung volume adjustment. So this time guys, i-set up lang natin yung telepono. So we just play around with the settings. By the way guys, yung Realme 6 Pro has a 6.6 Full HD Plus full screen with 1080 by 2400 pixels with 90Hz refresh rate and using Gorilla Glass 5. So matibay yung kanyang glass nito guys. Realme 6 Pro is using Realme UI version 1 based on Android 10. Yung display setting guys ng Realme 6 Pro is pwede mo siyang i-set into dark mode, meron siyang options. And then kung gusto nyo i-set sa eye care para hindi siya nakakasira sa mata. Yung kanyang display mode also meron siyang vivid or gentle. So nasa inyo na guys kung anong gusto nyo i-setting sa screen. Okay guys, so sa video resolutions naman, meron siyang maximum na 4K or pwedeng siyang iset into 1080p, meron siyang 720p with 60 fps or 30 fps. So this time i-try natin guys na i-play yung sample videos. Alright guys, so this time is yung aking mga sample pictures using the back camera. At the same time, susunod po nito guys is yung front camera kung gaano siya kalinaw. I hope magustuhan yung kanyang mga pictures. Okay guys, so to summarize sa lahat ng mga specification ng telephone ito, these are the key features ng Realme 6 Pro. Okay guys, surprise naman ang pag-usapan. Dito po yan guys sa Brunei ay nagkakahalaga siya ng $499. Sa Pinas, around 17,000. That's it for today guys. So thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit that bell notification para maging updated kayo guys sa aking next uploads. And I'll see you in my next video.